Hi guys, so one of my New Year's resolution was to learn some new software, and since I like 3D, why not learn SketchUp? So SketchUp has been bought by Trimble a while back and it has evolved, and there is interconnectivity with Trimble Business Center, so it is basically from the same wheelhouse. Now, first things first, when you want to learn a new software, you gotta get the software. So let's see if we can get it and start doing or open up a new project or new SketchUp, whatever it's called. So I have a Google here. I'm gonna just type in SketchUp and let's see. Obviously, here we go. So as you can see, I already been searching for it for a couple of times. I just never went in. So Trimble SketchUp, let's click on it, and as you can see, it's a Trimble landing page. Work smarter and faster with updates in SketchUp 22. See what's new. So there is a new version of it. We'll maybe cover it next time. Let's just figure out how to open. So here under the products, there is a whole bunch of offerings. Let's go to all products and see what we can figure out. So SketchUp for web, bring your projects to life by modeling right into your web browser. SketchUp Pro, SketchUp for school, and extension warehouse. So yeah, pre-designed. So there is a whole bunch. It's like it's evolved into, there is even a SketchUp viewer. Collaborate, experience. There is the 3D, like the virtual reality. So have some fun. Let's see. SketchUp for web, think through, turn ideas, write the model once, cut twice, create projects. Look at that. So we found SketchUp free. Okay. We can even export STL and PNG, which is pretty good. If you have the Pro version, you can do a whole bunch. So okay, so how do we... I seen one here under SketchUp free. Is it the same thing? The best way to 3D for free. Start modeling. Let's see what that does. Of course, this depends on your speed. You guys know I'm in the boonies here, so... welcome to SketchUp. Start modeling. So I'm gonna click on that. I see here the reference to Trimble Connect. Here is a dude and a SketchUp. So it seems here is a project, home, new, open, save, import, export. Okay, so I guess if we do DXF, you see, it's just gonna give us the upgrade option. It's similar to Trimble Business Center. We have a couple of toolbars here on the left and right hand side, and yeah, we're gonna, I guess I have to learn what they mean, which is gonna be in our next video. So hope you like this and hope you join me on this journey to learning SketchUp this year. So we'll see you next time.